Welcome back to my channel. Aceh is my channel. I can't promise something, anything about beautiful places. Now I am in Sabang Island. One of no kilometer in Indonesia is Aceh. Imagine that. Now I'm from the shop for some anything like jewelries and then necklace and then cap and then t-shirt. But for how to swim, what in the ocean? Can you imagine that? There in the side, two girls, then I sell shop seller. You know what? Shop seller sells, sell anything, not only for bag, handbag, anything. But don't forget to come to Sabang Island because Sabang Island, a lot of visitors, a lot of people come here, and then you can buy anything what you want. It's very very delicious, very not expensive because Aceh nowadays for for girls for to visitor they gonna be sure very very low price. So don't forget to come to Indonesia because I am as tourist guide. We are ready for prepare our many languages to speak, many languages, not only European language but also Middle language. Alright, thank you for watching my videos. Datang. Boleh lah.